Now children, we will be doing a quick recap of what we learnt in addition and subtraction. I hope you would have understood where should we use the symbol plus and where we should use the symbol minus. For addition we use the symbol plus, which means to add, and for subtraction we use the symbol minus, which means to less down. Okay. So shall we start the sums? I will give you the sum and you need to tell me whether we need to add that particular sum or do we need to subtract it. Shall we begin? Okay. See here. Now, in this question, 3 if added or subtracted will give us 5. Shall we just try? I have 3 fingers in one hand. I have 2 in another hand. So, what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means that if I add this, it will give me an answer 5. Shall we try with the next sum? Now, 4, 2, 2. Right. So, what will happen? Now, if I take 4 in one hand and I take 2 in one hand, what is the answer I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But what is the answer given for me? It is given as 2, which means that 4 if I have in my hand and if I reduce 2, what is the balance left? 2. So, here I need to put a minus symbol. So, 4 when reduced by 2 will give me an answer 2. Shall we try with the next question? 8, 3, 5. Okay. Now, I will keep 8 fingers in my hand. Say if I add 3, 9, 10, 11. What is my answer given? It is given as 5. So, which means that my addition will not work out here. So, what I need to do? If I have 8 fingers and I remove 1, 2 and 3. So, what is the balance? 5. So, what I need to do here children? I need to put here a minus again. So, which means 8 when reduced by 3 will give me an answer 5. Shall we do with the next one? Now, 3 equal to 6. So, what we will do? I will take 3 in one hand and I will take 3 in another hand. Shall we add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer given for me? 6. So, which means what will come here? It will be addition. I need to add the sum. Okay. Coming to the next one, 9, 2, 7. I will have 9 fingers in my hand. Okay. Now, if I add 2, 10, 11. What is my answer given? Answer is 7, which means addition will not work out here. Same thing if I keep 9 fingers in my hand and I reduce to 1, 2. What is the answer left? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Which means what? What should I do here? I need to put here a minus sign. Which means that 9 when reduced by 2 will give me an answer 7. Okay. The last one, 2, 6, 8. I will have 6 fingers in my hand. If I add 2, 7 and 8. I get the answer 8. And what is the answer given? It is 8. So, what we will do here children? We will be putting an addition. So, 2 when added with 6 will give me an answer 8. So, the last question we will be doing the addition. I hope children you enjoyed this particular class of addition and subtraction and you enjoyed doing all the practice questions with me.